The temporal association cortex is located at P3 point. This point is used in patients with neglect syndrome after stroke. Make the first circumferential measurement between the nasion, the point between the nose and the forehead, and the inion, the most prominent point on the back of the skull. In our case, this distance equals 32 centimeters. Along this line, mark 3 points. The first one is CZ point that lies right at the middle of this line, or in our case, at the 16 centimeters from the nasion or from the inion. Mark CZ point. The next point is FPZ. FPZ lies 10% up from nasion. That means, in our case, this distance is 3.2 centimeters up. And the last one, along sagittal line, is OZ point that lies 10% up from the inion. So in our case, this distance is 3.2 centimeters up from the inion. Then, make the next circumferential measurement between the periauricular points through the CZ point. In our case, this distance equals 34 centimeters. Along this line, mark 2 points. The first one is C3 point that lies 20% left from CZ point. That means, in our case, the distance is 6.8 centimeters left from CZ. Mark C3 point. Next point along this line is T3 point that lies 10% up from the left tragus. So in our case, this distance equals 3.4 centimeters and mark T3 point. After that, measure the distance between the OZ and FPZ through T3 point. And this distance is 28 centimeters. Along this line, look for the O1 point that lies 10% left from OZ. So this distance is gonna be 2.8 centimeters left. Mark O1 point. P3 point lies right in the middle between C3 and O1 point. Measure the distance between them. Double this distance and mark P3 point.